Argoshield Universal has been created for both quality and economy in a wide range of engineering applications, including pipe and tube joining, light to medium plate fabrication, as well as structural steelworks. It's formulated for MIG welding sheet and thin sections of steel between 4 and 10 millimeters thick, and is highly adaptable as it can be used for dip and spray transfer work, as well as automatic and robotic applications. Producing a stiff arc with a broad heat flow, Argoshield Universal produces minimal spatter and helps keep welding nozzles far cleaner, reducing the amount of downtime between jobs. Ordering Argoshield, as well as our other shielding gases, is simple. Just go online to boconlineshop.com.